My name is Mackenzie White, and today I'm going to be talking about Albert Einstein and his contributions to mathematics. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Germany, and he died on April 18, 1955 in New Jersey. His father was named Hermann Einstein, and he worked as a salesman and later became an engineer. His mother, Pauline Koch, was a stay-at-home mother who ran the household. Einstein had one sister named Maja, who was born 2 years after. Einstein was married twice. His first wife was Mileva Maric. Einstein's second wife was Elsa Einstein. His childhood. Compared to other children, Albert Einstein learned very slowly. This was due to the fact that he had a speech impediment. He also had a tutor named Max Talmud who helped inspire him more on the finding of light. Later in the years, Albert found a passion for playing classical music and also discovering his talent for playing the violin. His education, Einstein attended many institutions where he received an honorary doctorate. He received 10 of those, and his latest one is Harvard University. He obtained a degree in physics and mathematics at ETH Zurich. It's the Swiss Federal Institution of Technology, and he got that in 1900. He later received the doctorate degree from the same institution in 1905. The theory of relativity is that the law of physics is the same for all non-accelerating objects, and that the speed of light in a vacuum was independent of a motion of all observers. It can be seen in many ways through our society, such as light, electromagnets, and even our global positioning system. Albert Einstein and Marcel Grossman were the scientific minds behind all the work of this research. The photoelectric effect is known as the emission of electrons or other free carriers when light is shone onto a material. This scientific discovery was first discovered by Heinrich Hertz. It is best to use a good conductor such as metal to get the best results. The most famous equation in the world was discovered from Albert Einstein. It is E equals m2 squared. It is the most famous equation in the world. The letter E represents energy, the letter M represents mass, and the letter C represents the speed of light, but it has to be squared. The purpose of this equation is that it tells us that energy and mass are effectively the same thing. People throughout the world are very thankful that Einstein left the world with this famous equation because it makes calculations more complex and simple. His legacy lives on. Albert Einstein lived to be one of the most influential mathematicians and scientists. He inspired many people throughout the world, and he contributed many theories and research experiments to our society. Without his development of this theory of relativity and the photoelectric effect and also the famous equation, science and math would not be the same throughout our society today. Albert Einstein is known for being the mind of the 20th century. He also completed more than a decade of research to mathematics and trigonometry as well. That's it.